Guys, in this video, I'm gonna showcase you some beautiful fancy print catalog collections. Whole wise, you gonna see different kinds of varieties like daily purpose, occasional, party wear, some beautiful collections of print sarees I will open here. So guys, my request is one and only, please watch the video continuously, don't skip in between. First in my hand, beautiful Kumari fabrics we will say. This kind of printed saree you will easily wear in a occasional or any festival or party wear collections also. These are very unique collections in all other varieties of print collections. Now in your camera you will see customers are there, they will purchase, they will also new and they are also purchasing some new beautiful collections, arrival collections of print collections. Next one, some beautiful, I'm gonna open you. Fully 6 meter length you will get in this particular saree. Some beautiful threading work is done in the particular border of this saree, which enhance the total overall look of this particular saree. Let me tell you, don't query about single pieces. We not provided single pieces. You have to purchase at a set wise. In each set, like this kind of pouch packaging you will get. In this pouch packaging you will get from 6, 7, 8 these kind of color shades in particular. Each of the designs we will show you. These we are having some beautiful catalogs is all provided in each other particular sections. These kind of catalogs is provided in each other pouch packaging we have. This catalog is made for your beautiful clearance about your product, how much quantity you will get, how much look you will get, what are the price will be are. So this catalog will help you to explain about and clarify about our product. Next one I'm gonna showcase you. Some beautiful satin chiffon fabric in this particular pattern you will say. Golden jerry's work is on this particular small border. Some small beautiful stones are sticked which enhance the total overall beauty of collections in this particular saree. As per normal, you will get particular 6-7 color charts in each our products and some beautiful catalogs. Next one is this kind of saree. These kind of beautifully digitally flower print module designs you will get in this particular. Let's talk about fabric. Fabric is chiffon fabric you will say. It's very easily washable and you can wear it daily purpose also. And talk about catalog, we have particular catalog name. This catalog name is Rishika. In this Rishika model you will get these kind of n number of varieties, n number of colors in this particular collections you will see. So guys, collection is very, and let me show you one unique item. It's one of the unique item you will see in this particular camera. See, some beautiful flower designing are done and some shining work are done to enhance the total beauty of this particular saree. Many of our collections are there and you will see in the video that many of our satisfied customers, happy customers, reviews and feedbacks are there in this particular section you will get. Next one is in this type of box packaging you will get particular all the product in this particular set. This type of particular box packaging you will get about your all the product. There is no damage. We provide full safety for your product till reach at the destinations of yours. It's impossible guys to see all the varieties and collections in one video. So now your mind the question will be raised that how will you contact us? Simple. Our phone contact number is available on our screen. You have to contact them and they send n number of varieties of PDFs and photos and collections of whole these sections to WhatsApp. Contact us, join us and start your business. There is no need of 1 lakhs, 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs to start your business at that big amount. You just start your business at minimum amount of 15,000, 20,000, 25,000 you will start. At 20 to 25,000, you will get a n number of varieties of ladies wears or women's wear at our Kesaria Textile Company. Yes, we will not only provide sarees. We provide kurtis, lehengas, gowns, nighties, blouse pieces, astar, petticoats, all the collections, all the 15 to 20 different varieties of ladies wear we provide at one-stop destination, Kesaria Textile Company. So there is no need to keep rush and go on to 15 to 20 shops at each other ladies wear item. You just come and arrive here. Just I'm not forcing you to purchase here and here only. I'm just saying you that visit our company one time. If you interested in our product, if you like our product, if you like our services, then you can also give us a order and you can also start your own business. Thank you.